Getting more out of your affiliate marketing plan. You can find a lot of products online, from HD TVs to ebooks on Spanish recipes and everything in between. Marketing these products to people from the companies that make them is a great way to earn a good living. Being an affiliate marketer is a popular career in high demand, and we will discuss some ways you can market products in this video. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do. You need to focus on results. When branching out and promoting new products as an affiliate, you need to keep the same principles alive as with the products that initially brought you success. This means you shouldn't go with a lesser product just to expand your presence and to turn commissions. You do not want to tarnish your reputation. Be sure to only conduct business with affiliate companies that are fair and generous with their commission offers. Stay away from affiliate companies that offer less than 20% of the total profits from the products that you sell. Good affiliate companies realize that good efforts deserve higher commission, which will motivate you to do more for their business. With the vast array of products to choose from online, it's easy to get your foot in the marketing door, but stepping all the way through is another matter entirely. In this video, you learn some ways in which to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to use these tips on your path to success and to always work to improve your web presence. Student loan.